The year is 2050. Human lifespans are stretching far beyond what we once imagined. But this isn't just about living longer, it's about living better. Imagine being 90 years old and still hiking mountain trails, starting new businesses, or dancing with your grandchildren, all without pain or decline. This is the future scientists are building, one gene, one molecule, and one breakthrough at a time. And it all begins with CRISPR. For the first time in history, aging is being treated not as an inevitability, but as a disease that can be slowed, paused, and maybe even reversed. According to pioneering researchers like Dr. David Sinclair of Harvard Medical School, aging is a loss of information in our cells. If we can restore that information, we can restore you. From gene editing to cellular rejuvenation, the science of longevity has entered a new frontier, and it's not science fiction anymore. We are in the midst of a longevity revolution, where the limits of human health are being redefined before our very eyes. This journey is about extending not just our lifespan, but our health span, the years we live in vibrant, active health. CRISPR, short for clustered regularly interspaced short palindromic repeats, is the tool that changed everything. Discovered just over a decade ago, it allows scientists to edit DNA with unprecedented precision, deleting harmful mutations, repairing damaged genes, and even reprogramming cells to resist aging. In 2020, its inventors, Jennifer Doudna and Emmanuel Charpentier, won the Nobel Prize in Chemistry. By 2030, clinical trials were using CRISPR to treat everything from muscular dystrophy to heart disease, and even early forms of cellular senescence, the process where aging cells stop dividing and start causing inflammation. Now, in 2050, CRISPR 5.0 can edit entire gene networks responsible for longevity, boosting DNA repair, mitochondrial efficiency, and cellular resilience. It's no longer just about curing disease. It's about upgrading human health span. But CRISPR is just the beginning. The next leap came from cellular reprogramming, turning old cells young again. Inspired by the work of Nobel laureate Shinya Yamanaka, researchers discovered how to activate Yamanaka factors, a set of 4 genes that can reset a cell's biological clock. Combined with nanomedicine and AI-driven diagnostics, doctors can now rejuvenate organs before they fail, predict metabolic decline years in advance, and tailor anti-aging therapies to your personal genome. In elite longevity clinics across Dubai, Singapore, and San Francisco, early adopters are already testing personalized gene edits, NAD+ boosters, stem cell infusions, and peptide therapies that keep their biological age decades younger than their chronological age. Imagine a future where your doctor tells you your biological age is 38, even though your driver's license says 65. That future is arriving. But as with any revolution, this one comes with profound responsibilities. Should we edit our genes to live to 150? Who gets access to these transformative therapies? Only the wealthy, or everyone? And what happens to our society when aging, death, and even disease are no longer natural parts of life? Bioethicists argue that extending life must go hand in hand with extending meaning. We must ensure that these longer lives are also better, more purposeful lives. Because the true goal isn't immortality, it's vitality. It's about having the energy and health to pursue our passions, connect with loved ones, and contribute to the world for as long as we can. Let's meet Aisha, who, at 72, runs a tech startup in Dubai focused on sustainable food. Her biological age, a mere 54. Or consider Dr. Kai Tanaka, a longevity scientist who used CRISPR therapies to reverse his own age-related muscle atrophy and now competes in senior triathlons. Their stories remind us that the future of longevity isn't about escaping death, it's about enhancing life. We are rediscovering something profound, that the human mind and body are not meant to simply deteriorate. They are designed to evolve, to adapt, and to thrive. These pioneers show us what's possible when science empowers us to live to our fullest potential at any age. By 2050, our understanding of aging will have transformed medicine forever. Every cell in our body will be monitored in real time. Every therapy will be personalized to our unique biology. And every individual will be empowered to take control of their own biological destiny. The dream of living to 120 with the vitality of a 40-year-old is no longer a fantasy, it's fast becoming reality. But true longevity isn't about counting the years you have. It's about making every single one of those years count. It's about filling them with growth, joy, and purpose. So, as we stand on the edge of this new era, one where CRISPR, AI, and regenerative medicine merge into the science of youth, ask yourself, if you could live twice as long, how would you live differently, starting today? Thank you for joining us on this journey into the future. If you found this exploration as fascinating as we do, please like this video and subscribe for more glimpses into the world of tomorrow.